guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be a reacting video. I saw that you liked my reaction videos, so I thought I would do another one. Today's video is gonna be about a new video clip of Charly and Nina. So make sure if it's your first time stopping by, make sure you click subscribe and turn on your post notification. That way you'll be alerted whenever I post. It's that little bell icon. And of course, let's just dive in. Wow. Looks good, the forest and all that. Itangiye neza cyane. Ni ishyamba. Kandi burya bambaye neza. Try me. It's actually a juicy title. Urabona ko ibintu bikinnye neza, urabona ko babifashitiye umwanya. Ni ikinamico bari gukina mu rugo, urabona ko vraiment every character is really playing his role. This is really good. Urabona ko nta muntu batunguye, buri muntu wese azi icyo ashinzwe gukora. The wife hates the girl that works at the house. She is cheating. Ow, I see where this is going. I see. I like the way they look, these girls. They look really cute. I like the fact that the girls are singing and they let somebody else play the whole thing. So, babaye abahanzi gusa bareka abandi bantu bajya gukina ibyo bagomba gukina. Kuko ubundi tumenyere ko ari umuhanzi ugenda akabyina akivunagura. Nzi ukuntu bishize mu byubahiro byabo. Baricara bararirimba bareka abandi buzuza ibindi buzuza indirimbo ndabikunze. Right, yes. We are not used to see that, right? We are not used to see that, so it's good. This video clip is very original. The forest scene and the house thing, all this sketch, it looks pretty original. I like it. I like it, guys. I like this video clip. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm here for it. Girls, I like it. So if you're watching Charly and Nina, this is some good work. Keep it up, really. Keep it up. Make sure you tag them and share. That way they can see this video. If you have them on your social medias, this video clip is very good. I mean, whoever did this, I mean, these girls are really surrounded by a good team. You can see it. Everything is prepared. The script, everything is prepared. It really looks original. I mean, you guys. Oh, the campfire. It really does look believable, and that's what a video clip should be. It should make us believe whatever we are seeing. You know, like. We should believe that it's a true story, and I'm into it. Fairy tales. You see that they are selling a fairy tale to us. This is what we're looking for. Cinderella. This is the Cinderella story. So this story will never age. This story is immortal. This is the story that people should use. All musicians, you should take a pen and paper and take notes. These girls are really doing it. I'm here for it. Nukuri, yeah. Iyi video ni nziza kabisa. Bahe. Let me know what you think in the comments. I will leave the link in the description box. I can't think of another song that they look like. The video clip is very original. You see that they really prepared everything. They have a great team behind them. This is what I was talking about. This is what I talk about. This is what I'm looking for in a video clip. Guys, I'm pretty amazed. I'm very amazed by this video clip. Yes, I liked it. I can't say anything negative about it. I can't. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and watch my previous reaction videos. I will leave them also in the description box below. I loved it. So Charly and Nina, girls, You did a great job, alright? So keep it up! Bye, guys!